Hey, what's up? I'm Hugo. Welcome to the Orchestra YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we connect Orchestra to AWS SageMaker, show you how easy it is, and get you started triggering and monitoring some jobs in SageMaker. So, as you can see, there's no SageMaker credential here. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new connection. If I search for SageMaker, it'll pop up, and then we're going to have to add it. So let's create a credential for our model training. I'm just going to call it model training. And then what you have to have in the backend is an AWS IAM user with the required permissions for the job you want to run. So in order for you to do that, if you've worked with SageMaker or AWS before, basically head over to the IAM console, and then you need to give a user a permission. And then the permission is down here. And then after you've done that, you need to generate a CLI access key for the user. That can be found in this documentation here. And essentially, all we need to do is give the user that's going to be running our SageMaker jobs the describe training job, the stop training job, and create training job action, as well as anything else that user needs to have. Also note that you need to be able to give it access to the resource. So SageMaker is a deployed infrastructure service, which means that you need to give it access to that deployed infrastructure. So I'm going to go ahead and get my access key ID, which will be my secret access key. Select my region, which for me will be London. And there we go. So, it's pretty powerful, much easier to do than in Airflow, because we obviously have some kind of validation and some error handling here. So if this didn't work, we would tell you why. But yeah, that's SageMaker. And if you like this video, please feel free to give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments.